हेलो मैम।
हाँ सर, shall I start the class?
यस मैम, मैंने चैट ऑन कर दी है।
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, students, so we will be doing today that models we were doing up. So few of the words among the models were left. So we are going to discuss them. Then we'll be starting up the exercise. Okay. Um, the word that was left. Yes, first of all, dare. Dare is always being given used up to asking up for a courage, to have courage in that. Don't you dare to do that. And it is mostly being used up in the interrogative and negative form. Suppose an example is written, I dare not speak to the principal. You can see that the sentence is negative, and after that one more interrogative sentence example I'm giving you, how dare you talk like this. So it's being a interrogative form. Mostly the dare word is being used up in the negative as well as in the interrogative form. So we'll be discussing of the exercise also today. After that, used to. Used to is mostly used to describe of the past habits. Whatever the past habits are there, and the habits of past which are still existing up, which are still there, is also being used up in the over there. The used to is used. The negative form of use is used not to or didn't use to. These are the two words we are going to use up for the used to. The negative form, used not to and didn't use to. Okay. So example for describing of the past habit that I'm giving up to you, it's that I used to go for a walk every morning. To describe the existence of something in the past means there is still something going on which used to go up in the past. There used to be a Haveli in this place some years ago. Okay. Now there, as I already gave you, so there used to, we have done. I already explained you will, shall, would, should, may, might, can. These are being left. May. May is used to express the permission, possibility, wish, a purpose. These are the words where this may is going to be used up. May, for giving up a permission. May I use your pen? May and can. There is a big difference between always from both the words we can ask up for something to take or something to for can take any of the permission from may and can. But there is a difference between may and can is that may is mostly being used up in the formal form and can be used up in the informal form. So may and
Ma'am,
can, yes.
ma'am, we have done with May with can and could to yesterday.
Okay, we have done. Okay.
Yes,
Just
only will,
we'll have, sorry, what was left?
will and would.
Will and would was left. Okay, we'll just discuss it. Not an issue. Okay, okay, Bhavya. Thank you. So, might is being used to express the less possibility. It might rain today. When there is a very less possibility, when we are not sure about anything, so over there might is used for taking up the permission also, for guessing up something that might be a thief. Okay, so this is for might. And after that, can is also used for taking up the permission, as I already told you. May and can both are having used for the taking up the permission for possibility, but can is being also being used up for knowing of the ability and telling the capacity of. He can speak English. He can speak for hours without any stop, without any pause. So this is being a capability of a person. Okay. Now we'll be doing the will and would. That was only left. Okay. Will. Will is used to the first of all I'll let you know the future, sorry, negative form of it. Will not or won't. These are the negative form of the will. If you have to write down the will in negative form, we'll be writing up in this form, will not and won't. Will is being used to express the future with second and third person. As we all know, according to the tense we might have done, where the will word is used mostly with future tense, it is being used up with the second and third person. Okay. You, he, she, it, they. You might be knowing that. He will join the music class. You will clean your room. But for expressing of the intentions, promise, willingness, and determination, it can be sometimes used up with the I and we also. For telling of the intention or any promise is there, suppose I will help you. What is this? It is a sort of a willingness that I'm showing up. We will fight to the finish. It's a determination. I will see you again. That's a promise. So it it will be also used up with I and we, when the sentences are going to show the determination, promise, willingness, and intentions. Okay. To express an characteristic of a habit of a person, it is also used over there. Suppose a dog will usually obey his master. So what is this? It's a characteristic habit. He will be there by 9 a.m. It's an assumption. We are predicting up something. So will is mostly used up with the future tense, second and third person. We know that. But in few of the conditions like promise, willingness, intentions, and showing up the characteristic habit, assumption, or invitation or a request also, this word is being used up with the first person as well as. Okay. And will is never used with the first person in the interrogative form. Will is never being used. So you should remember this thing. Okay. Now coming to the would, the past tense of it. To express the past habits, first of all, would. The negative form of would will be would not or wouldn't. You all know, might be knowing it. Where the would is used, the conditions according to that are for expressing of the past habits. Okay, I would rise early and have a bath. My mother would always tell me stories at night. These are the past habits of something. To express a polite request, I would like to see the minister. This is a request that we are making up. Would you switch on the fan, please? Now, to expressing a wish or a preference, I would rather have tea than coffee. We wish you would stay with us. So this is what in the first sentence I have given up my preference that I'll be having tea rather than having a coffee. And in the second I have second sentence, we wish you would stay with us. This will be the wish over there. Okay. To express an imaginary condition. Now for expressing up an imaginary condition also, we'll be using would. I would buy a house if I won a lottery. I would buy a house if I won a lottery. Okay. So this is the models that we have done. Now I'm coming up to the exercise. I hope you all are having books. There might be a lot for you all if you are not having the book. It's page number 116, 116 of your section B, part 2 grammar of your sample paper book only, that is Voyager. So we are going to start up with the first exercise. Sir, please can you on the chat? Okay, I think the chat is already on. Okay.
Ma'am, chat is on.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I dash love to train these racers. The options for you are would and should. What will be coming? Yes, I would love to train these racers. Very good. This is the correct answer. You dash go in now and meet the principal. Can and would. What will be coming? Can. Yes, this is the correct answer. You can go in now and meet the principal. Dash, I use your mobile. Can or should? Yes, can I use your mobile phone? Dash, I get something to eat. Please, I am very hungry. Will or can? Yes, will I get something to eat? Please, I am very hungry. Yes. Next, fifth, you dash have kept him in the dark. Shouldn't or can't? You dash have kept him in the dark. Shouldn't or can't? What will be coming? Shouldn't. Yes. You shouldn't have kept him in the dark. I dash read what he has written. Can't, couldn't, can't. Yes, can't is the right answer. Next, Ankit dash speak three languages. Can, should. Tell me. Ankit dash speak three languages. Can or should. What will be coming? What will be the answer? Voice is not coming. My voice is not coming. Wait. I just look into that. Ankit can, Ankit can, should speak three languages. What will be the option, right option for it? Yes, can. We are telling of the ability. Yes, this is the correct answer. Can speak three languages. I thought she dash be at home. Should or would? Yes, would. She would be at home. You dash not enter my room again. Dare or could? Dare, yes. Yeah, dare is the right answer. You dare not enter my room again. She knew that she dash be able to reach school in time. She knew that she dash be able to reach school in time. She would or must. She would be able to reach school in time. This is the correct answer. Would be. Okay. Next, we dash respect our elders. Ought to dare. What will be the correct answer? Don't give the answers before I'm speaking up the sentences, because few of you are having the book, but don't give. Yes, ought to is the correct answer. We ought to respect our elders. First of all, listen up to the sentence. The sky is cloudy. It dash rain soon. What will be the answer? It may rain soon. Yes, this is the correct one. May. Yes, may. May is the correct answer. Dr. Sanghal dash have gone for lunch. He is not in his clinic. Must or should? No, must. Over here, no sort of a duty is being shown up. Must have gone. We are just predicting it up. So this is the correct answer. Must have gone home for lunch. He is not in his clinic. Yes, correct answer is must. Next, my grandmother dash read without glasses even now. Can, could. Can. Can is the correct answer. Yes. Can read without glasses even now. Dash God protect you from every harm or danger and danger. May, might. May. Yes. May or might. May. Yes. May is the correct answer. A judge. A judge dash be just. Should or would? Should be just. Yes. You dash see the doctor at once. Must or will? Yes. Must. Must see the doctor at once. Yes, correct. Next, he dash run miles at a time when he was young. He could, he can. No, it is telling about the past action. At a time when he was young. He dash run 5 miles at a time when he was young. So what will be? Yes, could will be the correct answer. Yes. I'm sure that they dash support the right candidate. Will or should? Yes, will is the correct answer. Everyone is giving up the right answer. So I think you have understood it very well. Next, the second exercise is there. Second fill-up we are starting up. Now the second exercise. For this, some options are there. There will be not a particular two options are there. The choices is not there. On the top few options are given over there. I'll just send it to you all and then you are going to answer me according to that. Okay? Whom are having the book, it's very good. Whom are not having, just for them, I'm just sending it up. Yes, these are the options. Now I'm going to speak up the sentence and you have to give the answers according to that. Okay? First exercises, the very first sentence is dash, I wait for you. There is a question mark. Dash, I wait for you. Should. Yes. Should is the correct answer. Should I wait for you? Anyone else giving up any other answer? Yes, everyone has given should. Yes, very good. Next, I'm afraid I dash give you the information. It's confidential. I'm afraid I dash give you the information. It's confidential. Yes, can't is the correct answer. I can't give you the information. It's confidential. Very good. To be healthy, we dash eat nutritious food and take regular exercise. We must. We must eat nutritious food and take regular exercise. Yes, very good. Grandpa dash have his evening meal soon after his evening prayer. This is a habit. Yes. Yurika has given me the answer. Khushi, Krishika Bandel, Jhalak. Yes, these all. Some of you are giving would or some of you used to, but the used to is the correct answer. Ansh Gupta, used to it will be the correct answer, not used. Krishna Garg, used to, ed. Yes, correct answer is used to have his evening meal soon after his evening prayer. We can't see any clouds, but it dash rain all the same. We can't see any clouds, but it dash rain all the same. Yes, might. Might is the correct answer. Very good. We are getting extremely late. We dash leave immediately. What will be the correct answer? We must leave immediately. Yes. Yes, must. Everyone has given the must. Correct answer is must only. Next, Neha dash surely get well soon. She is responding to the treatment well. Neha, yes, Neha will surely get well soon. She is responding to the treatment well. Yes, will is the correct answer. Neha will surely get well soon. She is responding to the treatment well. I dash be able to help you if you asked me. I dash be able to help you. I would be. Yes. We hope that you dash come to the meeting. We hoped that you dash come to the meeting. Yes, you will come to the meeting. Mother is seriously ill. We dash call a doctor. I think ought to can be the correct answer. We ought to call a doctor because over here there is an emergency. So ought to can be the correct answer and should also, because I already told you ought to and should can both be used as in the same form. Yes, ought to and should. You can write down two options over here, ought to and should. Mother is seriously ill. We ought to or we should call a doctor. The last exercise is there. Uh, one dash keep one's promise. Now there are no options. 8th and 9th में क्या आएगा? Who is asking? Bhumika. The answer for 8th is would and for answer for 9th is will. Yes, everyone is giving this only one answer. One should keep one's promise. Yes, this is the correct answer. One should keep one's promise. Next, hurry up or you dash the train. Yes, will or you will miss the train. He dash live in a village when he was a 12-year-old boy. Used to. Yes, used to is the correct. The king dash always have his way. नहीं should नहीं आएगा. It will not be coming up. Would or could, it will be coming. The king would always have his way. The king could always have his way. Okay, this is the correct answer. Would or could, either both of them, anything can come. Don't worry, you dash get all your papers back will very soon. What will be the answer? You will get all your papers back very soon. Yes, very good. Everyone has given the answer. She worked hard so that she succeed. She worked hard so that she dash succeed. No, I don't think so. Must is the correct answer. She already worked hard so that she could succeed. Could succeed. Yes. Dash swim across the river. I dash swim across the river in 10 minutes. I can. This is the capability or ability. I can swim across the river in 10 minutes. Not will. Aditya, will is the incorrect answer. I can swim across the river in 10 minutes. So, we are done with our exercise. Now, I'll ask you a few questions. More questions are there. That those are not from your book, but we'll be practicing up because time is still left. We'll just have a good practice on these models. Just wait for a while. Sentence number 4. Shurika, just explaining you. Wait. Wait. I dash. No, we have not done the exercise of determiners. So we'll be doing it also. Maybe tomorrow we'll be doing the exercise of determiners only. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be doing the exercise of determiners. And even our tense exercise is also left. So we'll be doing that also. Okay. So I'm just asking you few questions. You dash not hit the dog like that. What will be the answer? You dash not hit the dog like that. You should not. Yes. Yes, should is the right answer. Next, should not, it's already written. Dash, I ask you a riddle. Question mark. Yes, can I ask you a riddle? Next. The page number is? No, there is no page number for this. These are the extra questions. These are the extra sentences which we are just discussing it up. We have done the exercise from your book. We are discussing the extra ones. Next, it dash rain today. It dash rain today. 6. Yes, it may is the right answer. It may or might, both can be both can be the correct one. It might rain today. Yes. May. You dash pay your fees in time. You dash pay your fees in time. What will be the answer? Must. Yes, must is the correct answer. Hmm. If you work hard, you dash win a prize. What will be the answer? You will. Yes, correct answer is will. I'm sure you dash pass. You will pass. Yes, correct answer it is. He dash come next week or later. He shall come. No, no, no. Shall come. As I told you before that only will or shall. For will or shall, I told you that if there is sort of a promise is there, he shall come tomorrow. Yes. With second and third person also it is being used. Next. Last year I dash exercise every morning. Used to. Yes, used to is the correct answer. So we are done with our many of the exercises we have done with. One sentence was there which Curika was asking from me. Curika, you asked me up one sentence. That was the last fourth one, the Hindi translation of that sentence. The king would always have his way. So the that.
Ma'am, time is running out.
Okay, sir, you can close it. You can end the meeting. I'll tell her tomorrow.